Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I discuss about how to check your Ignou B.ed result 2021. So all India students, welcome to my YouTube channel and subscribe our channel and share my video and like video. So students, yesterday the Ignou B.ed result released. So how to check your result? So open Google browser and type ignou.ac.in and search. After that, a new page open. All students seen here. Search the link through which we can check our result. So students, click the result and check the notification. Here check all notification. We cannot get 2020 B.ed result notification. So I request you back the search option and click the link which is given in my description. So I type the link through which we can check Ignou B.ed result. So I paste my Ignou B.ed result link. Then search. After that, new page open and see here enrollment number. Give the enrollment number and click submit option. I know that all students like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.